let's have a quick look around the vehicle before we take it out and have a look at some of the external features. Of course, all the things you'd expect to get with a Mini are here: aluminium wheels, colour coded wing mirrors, etc. Log space in a vehicle this size isn't great anyway. However, they've made the best of it, I think, with hiding all the accoutrements for charging and so forth and so on internally in the back here. So instead of a spare wheel, you get an ability to pump it up, first aid kit, but of course your all-important power charging system, which gives you your 7 kilowatt charging basis for the situation with this vehicle. Realistically, again, one of the great little bits that you can see with this is got both AC and DC charging, which, you know, it's great for a vehicle of this size. So you can actually run this onto the big power charging commercial points and charge DC at 50 kilowatt, which is amazing. Would actually take your charging down to 35 minutes, which is pretty special. So pretty decent, you know, great setup, nicely done. Other than that, it looks pretty much like an all-Mini. So why don't we have a quick run outside, take it on the road, and let's see how it performs. Let's go. In the vehicle, and as always with the way we roll in Prohire TruckTV, we've gone in and we're going to push a few buttons and see if we can get it to start and run, and see how we can make this feel. So it's got a stop-start button and very space age, lots of lovely noises and tinkles and etc etc. And from the cockpit, you know, super vehicle, unlike the commercial vehicles that we show generally, which are quite basic, and I think in one of the recent ones I said quite vanny, which of course that's what they are. This is a complete contrast to that. So many buttons and so many things to push. I'm not brave enough to drive off actually in this vehicle without actually seeing how some of these things work. So there are some interesting gadgets in this, and everything that you'd expect it to have. So let's see how we can get this to go into drive. Of course, there we go, and we found the handbrake, which is useful in this particular vehicle, and we'll say off. Now, I'll say right from the start with this vehicle, you are expecting a range from the literature and from speaking to BMW, that or Mini, I should say, that the range is 135 to 125 to 145 miles. Now, this is fully charged, and I have to say that it's even on green plus, which we're currently riding. That's a very green system. So it takes all the comfort systems and takes your aircon out and all the rest of the things there. It's extremely green and very quick. One of the things I want to show in a minute is it has got 3 modes. So it's got green, normal green, which is an e-drive, and it's got a sport drive. Oh yes. Whoa! Yeah, very quick, super quick. Eats electric though in sport. I mean, really eats electric. So we'll take that out of that and stay with the super green range. So we're going to take it for a run now, and we'll report back shortly. Back again, guys. So just a bit of an update really on where we are. I have to say, what a fun car this is, and so far removed from the commercial vehicle section that we've been showcasing recently. This is just really is the most fun you can have in a little car ever. Good piece of news as well. We started off with 101, 103 miles on the clock from a fully charged perspective. Mini is saying 130 to 140 miles. However, we've done about 20 miles, and it's in 100 miles still, and 100 mile range still. So I'm hoping for some mileage is closer to the range that's been suggested by the manufacturer. But just an amazing drive, sticks to the road like glue, just as you'd expect a proper traditional Mini to be. It's not lost any of that bite, it's not lost any of that handling and control. It is a super little car. I can see now why some of our customers are looking to have this little green devil on their wish list for electric, and it's just a great bit of kit. Really fun to drive. Guys, we've come to the end of another Prohire TruckTV edition, and hope you enjoyed us showcasing the Mini Electric. As I said before, all the vehicles you see on Prohire TruckTV are available on full contract hire from our business, and full details are available on our website. Of course, we'd love you to subscribe to the channel. It's great when you do, and like if you can, and we'll see you all again soon.